Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and I am back with another DIY video. This time we're going to be using these Dollar Tree carvable pumpkins. I know you probably have a few left over from fall, and we are going to be recreating this into a Christmas craft. And no, we are not making snowmen. So go ahead and grab your kiddos because they're going to want to see this too.
We're Bienvenidos next door's kids, and we're going to be making woodland animals out of these Dollar Tree pumpkins.
Go ahead, you guys. All right, first thing we're going to be doing is we are going to be pouring some acrylic paint into these little styrofoam plates that we have.
Stop! We have to make sure we have enough to make the woodland animals.
That's right.
So we can paint all of it, and in case if you don't have enough on your plate, don't forget to put it in your plate. Put some more acrylic paint on your plate so you have more, so you can paint the rest of the pumpkin up. I'm almost done with the first coat, and in a few minutes we're going to go on the bottom, and then we're going to do the second coat. Here, I'm painting the second coat on it since it's dry.
Alright, so after those pumpkins had their second coat and were dry, we cut out these little patterns. Here we are about to show you how to make a cute little reindeer. Now don't worry, if you would like to make these little woodland animals, I am going to share with you how you can get these patterns at the end of this video. Now you don't have to work with hot glue. Some kids, don't know how to work with that yet. I was kind of picking and choosing what I would let her kind of hold on to and stuff so that she wouldn't get burned. But just approach this at your own discretion with your own kids. Now, as you saw, the first thing we did was apply that little round disc to the top of the pumpkin. That was because we wanted to hide the hole that the stem left behind after we took it out. But you can always keep the little stem on there. Now this little dark brown area that we're working with right here is kind of like the nose and the brow area for the deer. Next we worked on the ears, and we cut out a larger dark piece and a smaller lighter piece and glued them together. Then after those are glued together, we're going to pinch the bottom and add a little bit of hot glue and then hold it there so that the ears can kind of close a little bit at the bottom. Next, we use a little pom-pom to make the nose. Now she wanted it to resemble Rudolph, so she gave it a little red one. Then we use googly eyes for the eyes, and you can find those as well at Dollar Tree. For the antlers, you're going to use brown pipe cleaners. You're going to need 2 long ones and 1 other one cut in half. So the first step is to bend one of the longer ones and just kind of twist it around so it stays in place. Next, you're going to take one of the halves and you're going to put it around the top section of it and then kind of wrap it around that first section that we made and then twist it around on itself. You're going to do the same thing with the other half piece, but you're going to do it a little bit lower on the antler. Next, you're going to take that other long piece and you're just going to start at the bottom and just wrap it all the way up to give it a little bit more thickness. Next, I took a toothpick to make little holes for the antlers. Then we just glued the bottom tips and inserted them. And once those are in place, we hot glued the ears as well. And then to add a little bit of Christmas flair, we took some of my leftover Dollar Tree berry bushes and we added a little bit of greenery and some berries to the top of the reindeer. And that was basically it for the reindeer, but of course we couldn't stop there. We decided we were going to make a raccoon too. Because you know that this gal had several more pumpkins lying around, and we basically just did the same thing as the reindeer minus the antlers. Of course, the pattern for this one is a little bit different. The ears are different, the face is different, etc. But it's the same concept. And then for the little bit of a Christmas flair, we used some leftover garland ties, the same ones that I used for my farmhouse Dollar Tree Christmas trees, and we kind of dressed the little ears up. And then our final little woodland creature was this adorable little fox that we didn't even have to paint because it was already orange. Now, instructions on how to make this cute little fox is on my blog. Now, we had so much fun making these, and if you want to make them as well, I have some free patterns that you can download on my blog, thelatinanextdoor.com, and I have them for all three of these. And basically, they are to scale. All you do is print them out, make your pattern, and they will tell you how much you need and which colors go for each piece. I made it as easy as possible for you guys to do these as well. So I'll make sure to include a link in my description box to where on my blog you can find these. Now, if you love these as much as we do, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite, the raccoon, the reindeer, or that cute little fox. Alright you guys, I got more DIYs coming your way, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit that little notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios!